Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to convert your Excel worksheet into HTML web page. So very simple and easy way guys. We have this Excel worksheet. So you can select any particular cells or entire workbook as your choice. Click on file and save as. Select the location like desktop. Now file name, given name and save as type. Select here web page. Here you can select the entire workbook and you can, if already published, so you can select the republish sheet and click on publish, or you can save it on your desktop. So once you need, you can publish it. Just click on publish like this. So this way you can convert your Excel worksheet into HTML. Thanks for watching.